This milestone assignment involves making a price index, using it to calculate inflation rates, and then determining the usefulness of such a price index. This price index is from the years 2013 to 2015, using 2013 as the base year and observing the prices in September. Let's look at the price index for the base period. To make one of these, you're going to want to make an item column. In this case, I have 8 items from bread to coffee. Next, you want a quantity column, a price column, and a cost of basket column. To get the cost of basket, all you have to do is multiply the quantity times the price. An example, bread 2 times 1.4 is 2.8. Pretty simple. The quantity of 2 is used to keep the calculation simple to demonstrate the underlying mechanics of making a price index. To get the cost of the market basket, down here, you're just going to want to take all of the items in the cost of basket column and add them together. That'll give you the total value of the market basket. At this case, for the base period of 2013, which is going to be 34.6. You do the exact same thing for the other years. Here's 2014. Item column, quantity column. You're going to want to keep the quantities the exact same as the base period, so you can just observe changes in prices. In this case, the cost of the market basket will be 35.8. Let's observe 2015. Here is the price index market basket for 2015, still observing the same quantities, resulting in a market basket of 35. Now, these are the numbers that you're going to want to use for calculating the price index. Here is the formula. Price index is going to be the cost of the market basket the current period over the cost of the market basket at the base period times 100. Quick example of this is to use the base period. That's 2013. The number we get for the overall market basket was 34.6. So you would do 34.6 over 34.6 times 100, which is going to be 100. The price index for a base period will always be 100. Here is the price index for 2014. For 2014, our cost of the market basket was 35.8 over the cost of the market basket at the base period, 34.6 times 100. It's going to give us 103.5. Same thing for 2015. 35 was our market basket price over the base period price times 100. It's going to give us 101.2. We're going to use these price index values to calculate the inflation rate. Here is the formula for an inflation rate. You're going to want to get the price index in the current year minus the price index of the base year over the price index of the base year times 100. So the inflation rate from 2013 to 2014 is going to be 103.5 minus 100 over 100 times 100, which is 3.5% inflation from 2013 to 2014. From 2013 to 2015, you got 101.2, which is the price index value that we determined for 2015, minus 100, that base value, over 100 times 100, which is going to give us 1.2%. So you can notice that the inflation rate was a lot higher from 2013 to 2014 than it actually was from 2013 to 2015. All right, so making a price index has a number of uses. One of them is just to track your purchases. This way you can monitor your spending, watch for any large increases in spending, and keep a balanced budget. Also, if you actually make pretty specific price indexes, you could see if a specific good has risen in price drastically. This way you can substitute this good for a complement and save some money. The price indexes that we're going to be making, our personal ones, are going to differ from the CPI, as the CPI is the official calculation used by the BLS. Your personal price indexes cannot match its specificity and range. All right, thank you.